What if your perfectionism isn't a personality flaw, but a symptom of oppression? Hi, my name is Dr. Yi. I'm a psychology professor, and I've been seeing more conversations around how perfectionism is highly gendered. You ever notice how men are applauded for their perfectionism? Think Gordon Ramsay in the kitchen, or James Cameron, or other famous male movie directors on set. Whereas women like Martha Stewart are showing that same intensity and are criticized for being way too much. But we also need to be talking about how perfectionism is racialized too. Perfectionism often equates to finding faults in everything, fearing making any sort of mistake. It also involves this harmful idea of holding ourselves to this impossible standard that is tied to white cultural dominant norms. The toxic idea that there's only one right way to succeed. I study Asian American psychology, and Asian individuals in particular face immense challenges to be perfect, to achieve this model minority standard that feels like such a burden placed on us. And the push to be constantly perfect has serious negative mental health implications for Asian Americans. And it's not just Asian communities, it's other communities of color that face their own unique combinations of societal expectations around academic success, work ethic, and productivity. And then that coupled with systemic racism compounds the mental health effects of perfectionism. So I believe the more we can name how perfectionism is racialized and gendered and rooted in systems of oppression, the more we can unlearn these perfect ideals that we've internalized as normal. The more we can ask ourselves who set this impossible standard. And the more we can move towards practicing greater compassion for ourselves and others. Follow for more if you want to learn about psychology from a professor who gets it.